Hello guys, today we are putting these cards in this book. Yeah, I know it's Pokemon, that is Lego cards, but I use this binder for nothing. I put already Lego stickers on it. This I think it's a good idea. You see, I'm being a lot addictive with Pokemon cards. Here are some cards of me. Two V's. You want to see this guy? Oh yeah, wait. I'm gonna show that when we did this. When we do this. Because if you know, I sort my cards on the type of what they are. This shiny ones go here, rainbow ones go last, normal cards go there, constructions goes here, and then the gold cards go here. Wait, no, actually it's like this. It's like this, how you put it. Just first, I'm gonna sort the cards. Look at watch. It's a truck. Goes by the roof. This is a Evasion the Chase. Say sailboats, I think it's called. A president that's a robber. A fishing lady. Yes, that's gonna fit. A guy that's from Roman. That's other language, these words. A piano eighth, I think it's called like that. I'm gonna leave a comment that I am wrong, then I'm gonna say that name what it is. A banana dude. Wait, that goes here. A guy that's wearing a race outfit in a truck. A Star Wars, a captain in outer space. A guy that lives in the jungle with his ape. A girl with a hammer. I think it's a robber. I think it is. I cannot read it. That's French, and I can't read that language. Octopus. A guy in a rocket. What is this? A dog? I think it's a dog. Put it in the comments below what this is. I don't know what it is. A guy in a marker suit. A girl in a marker suit. Oopsie, oopsies. A grandma with a flamingo. I don't know what that is. I forgot what it is. We did already. Did we did already Jungle Boy? Yeah, we did already. You go there. A guy in a suit. In a snowboard suit, I think. I don't know what this is. I know that's a guy. A girl in a spacesuit. A girl that's painting. A rocker girl. Girl that's rocking. A guy that's eating a hot dog, and that's number 1. A diver. It's the card is so not so. Then it's backward. Then it's upside down. You see? Why does it always drop? This is how it's supposed to look. Could I really? You see that? That's the logo. That's in 2 other languages that you don't speak, but I speak one of them. It's a guy in a drilling suit. Oh no, that's a guy in outer space that's drilling. He has a drill, and he's the guy with the lightsaber before. This is a football man that just won the beaker. This is a reader. How do you guys say wait? I don't know. If that text is annoying, I'm sorry, but I have to do this with this. This is a chicken, I think. A baby chicken. A chick. This is Santa. Jingle bell, I am Santa. A boat. A guy that's in his office suit. It looks like the guy of a movie. Home or something like that. Not. This is a Joker. Put him like this. What is this? He's doing a handstand. This is a guy. Again, girl in a llama suit. Again, why do I always say to a girl a guy? A dragon. Then a guy in a block. In a Lego block. With this one. And the last card, a girl in a mummy suit. Okay, now I'm gonna put them in my book. You see that I have it. Right here. I'm just putting them like it I want. I'm gonna put my camera so, or ours is gonna be really boring to watch it and really hard for me to do it. To put my cards in my little book. It's much easier with two hands to do it. We have to do what we have. We need to do what we are going to do I cannot speak. We are going to do this. We can do this. This is a lot of cards. I don't know even if they all are gonna stay in this. I'm looking for this card. I'm looking for Oh yeah, I'm here still. I'm putting in so quick in as I could. Then you could see these cards are my Pokemon cards. My Pokemon cards. I am really every card that I see I want it. I need to do Wait, I'm gonna look if I put some cards on. Okay. I'm almost finished. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Just one more card and voila. These are all the cards. If you stay to the end, I'm gonna show you my Pokemon cards. Pokemon. And then the last cards. And this is a VMAX Rillaboom. Here's the big boy. Do I have to say all of the cards? Blip book. Seedot. Blipbug, Seedot. Blizzy. Goat. Applin. Steenie. Kirby. Carablast. Fomantis. Dirt Ant. Spupa. Tropois. I don't know. Gosfur. Martis. I'm gonna do a really fast card showing. Wait a minute. No. Because it's gonna take too long. If we need to see them all, and we are gonna do so slow. And doing it so fast as I can. You can't even see the cards. You do want to see my. Here's my V collection. My VMAX Shiny Dragapult. My VMAX Eevee. And the most beautiful part. Do you know how long I spent on this to do this? All of the pages, 2 days. And here are some extra cards, my GXs, my old cards. I know I have good cards. They break. A Buzzball. That's not fake. It's just Champions League. This card. This Mewtwo Tech Team 2. That's also Champions League. Wait a minute. Mewtwo, a new Tech Team, Charizard, GX, Mewtwo GX, Charizard GX. This card is fake, but still cool. Necrozma, Groudon EX, Sceptile EX. This is a Mew in a Mewtwo suit. If you all enjoy, hit the subscribe button and comment below which card was your favorite. Hit the subscribe button here below and the like button. See you till next time. Bye.